2-ingredient, that's right, a 2-ingredient indulgent vegan chocolate mousse, done simple, healthy, and incredibly irresistible. So you really need a handful of ingredients to make this delicious creamy mousse. You're gonna need some ripe bananas, you're gonna need 2 heaped tablespoons of cocoa or cacao powder, and some melted chocolate, which is absolutely optional. You can just use these 2 ingredients to make the mousse, but I just wanted to add some melted chocolate on top, just to make it look a bit prettier and add more chocolatey flavor. And you're gonna need a beautiful serving dish. So this is literally what you need. So let's begin. Okay, so I'm using a food processor so that I can blend and just blitz up the bananas nicely into smooth consistency. You can mash them in a bowl. The problem is you will get some bits that aren't very well mashed. If you do it manually, we'll need to use a food processor or a really good quality blender, which probably a Vitamix would be my best shot. Okay, so I've added the bananas and the cocoa powder together onto the food processor, and now we're just going to process this nicely into a smooth consistency. Okay, so as you can see, we have a very smooth, nicely blended up consistency, and now I'm just going to add it to my serving dish. Okay, so as you can see, I have added the mousse inside my serving dish, and now you may just pop this straight in the freezer, or if you want to make it slightly fancier, add melted chocolate on top like I'm going to do right now. So I didn't measure up the chocolate at all. I just kind of broke a couple of blocks of chocolate and melted it. So yeah, this is basically just quite a rough optional topping on the top. Okay, so the chocolate is added on top. If you want to achieve a slightly more smooth, uniform kind of layout on top, you may need to freeze the initial kind of chocolate and banana mousse first for like 10 minutes and then add the chocolate. But I just wanted to do it very quickly and very kind of rough. Yeah, I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then it's time to eat.